Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about various types of solution for cloud security. There are several types of solution available to enhance cloud security and protect data in cloud environments. Here are various types of solution commonly used for cloud security. Number 1. Identity and access management. IAM solution manage user identities and access to cloud resources. Number 2, cloud data encryption. Encryption solution protect data, converting it into an unreadable format that can only be decrypted with appropriate encryption keys. Cloud data encryption include encryption at rest and encryption in transit. It ensures data confidentiality and minimize the impact of potential data breaches. Number 3, network security. Network security solution focus on the protecting the network infrastructure and connection within the cloud environment. This solution include firewalls, first intrusion detection, and prevention system. Number 4, security information and EM, Event management SIEM solution provide centralized monitoring, analysis, and correct correlation of security event across the cloud service and environments. Cloud Access Security Brokers CASB act as intermediate between cloud service provider and cloud users. Number 6, Cloud Workload Protection Platform (CWPP) solution focus on protecting workload. So that's all guys for today. No, wait guys, wait. We have to learn more. So cloud security posture management CSPM solution access and manage the security posture of cloud environments. They monitor and evaluate cloud configuration, compliance and security best practices, and adherence to industry standards. Solution in identify misconfigurations, vulnerabilities, and potential security gaps, helping organizations maintain a secure and compliant cloud infrastructure. Cloud incident response and forensics. This solution help organizations respond to and investigate security incident in cloud environment. So that's all.